Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And first and foremost, Happy New Year! If you are a VIP Kid teacher teaching during the Christmas New Year season, I hope that you have had many full schedules and that you are making that extra money that you want to make during the Christmas, and holiday season. Today, I wanted to talk about something a little fun, which is VIP Kid in a perfect world, the perfect schedule. I don't know if you've been on like the Facebook forums, the chat groups or anything, and you see that teacher who lives in the perfect time zone. For me, I envy those people who are usually in France, different parts of Europe, London, because they have the perfect VIP Kid schedule. Now, I live in the Eastern time zone, so this is what I have right now. Right now, the latest I can teach during the day is the 8:30 to 9 o'clock slot, and when daylight savings time hits, this will be 9:30 to 10, which is a little bit better. But my girlfriend, who is overseas in London, because I don't know if she's moving there. Either way, she's there now and she teaches. They are 7 hours ahead. So if I finish at 9 a.m., she can finish at 4 p.m. So she can essentially work an 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. VIP Kid, and she can do it on regular human hours and have that be her main source of income. So I thought today I would open it up to you guys. What would be your perfect VIP Kid situation? Would you stay like this, where you can teach late into the evening, maybe get up early 5 to 10, not 5 to 10 now, that was my summer schedule, but right now I can do 5 to 9, anything before 5, and I am just useless for the rest of the day, and I don't like being a zombie. But I did make a calendar for fun. There was just a day I was waiting for something to upload on my YouTube channel, and I said, you know what would the perfect schedule be? And if you missed how I do my schedules, I don't just say I want this many hours, if not more, to make a bunch of money. I actually sit down and say, I want to make this amount of money first, and to do that, I have to hit this number of classes, and once I hit it, I'm done. A lot of people I see and a lot of people that I mentor just want as many classes as they can get, and they just get burnt out. So I always say, set a money goal. If it's a side hustle, see if you can make $100 in your first month, and then maybe $150 the second month, and move up, and so on and so forth. That way you're also gradually moving your body to get used to teaching more classes, and you don't just bombard it with a full schedule. And I know we could see a lot of very full schedules on the Facebook forums. But for me, if it was a perfect world, I said, you know what, if I weren't teaching music at a brick and mortar school right now, I'd try to make $800 a week, which means I would have to teach somewhere in the realm of 36 hours for the week. And then I said, all right, I would work Monday to Friday like a normal person, 7 a.m. on Monday, 7:30 on Tuesday, take a nice rest, sleepy morning on Wednesday, 7 on Thursday, 8 on Friday, and Saturday, Sunday to rest. I even got so far as to put like breaks in and lunch to make it actually look like an actual calendar. I didn't put any workouts in here. That's one of my resolutions. So I guess since I would work out at home, I would make this be my gym. I'm not going to fill this whole thing out here for you, but I just thought it would be really funny to show you, if you could, in a perfect world, make your own calendar, how would it look right now? And it's there we go. There we go. There's the gym. But for me, this is how it would look. I would do 8 hours, Monday through Thursday. And then what did I give myself? I gave myself more than 36 in this, I guess. Did I really? 8, 16, 23 and a half, 31. Yeah, I gave myself, I typically give myself an extra 2 to 3 hours just in case the initials don't book. I have a few extra slots, but I do make it a rule that once this hits the minimum numbers that I need to hit my financial goal, I rest. I used to be the girl that would say, oh, I got the 10 classes I needed for that $100 this week. Let's just fill the rest of the schedule and see what happens. And I got burnt out very, very quickly. So it was advised to me to set the schedule, let it be as it is, and then once you hit the number you need, you rest. And that's not normally how we are in at least American culture. We're supposed to work, be a girl boss, get all that money. But once you hit your goal, I do highly, highly recommend getting some sleep. This is indeed how I would want my schedule to be. In a perfect world, if I wasn't teaching brick and mortar and I just taught at home, I would like the idea that I could have Wednesdays, at least in the morning, or I could have Friday at 2:30 off to be done, and then have the weekends to catch up with friends and family. One of the best things about VIP Kid is if I didn't want to work a Friday, I could move some of these hours into the mornings of the other days or onto a Saturday. I can essentially be in charge of my entire schedule. And if you followed this channel or my Instagram page over the summer, you saw that there were indeed weeks that I was taking off a Tuesday to go to Cedar Point or a cabin in the woods with my fiance. I was able to dictate my schedule around what we wanted to do and the things that we wanted to, go and experience as a couple and a traveler, and just not being someone tied down to a 9-to-5 job. And that is honestly the most beautiful part of working for VIP Kid, is that you are not tied to a schedule. You are in charge of your hours. But let me know down below in the comments, what would your perfect schedule be? I do try, and I will, this will be the last thing I tell you, I do try to teach at least 1 to 3 hours, and then I have to take this half-hour break. This is like my stretch, wash my face, drink some water, maybe get some breakfast, let my kittens out, just do something other than sit at the computer and type on my feedback, which is fine. I love the fact that I don't have to pay to gas up my car to go commute and make money somewhere. It's right here in my home, beautiful system. But you notice that I think 3 hours is my max, except on a Friday, I put it at 3.5 to get me some extra slots. But once again, in a perfect world, I wouldn't fill all these slots. I would have like maybe an hour or two, maybe not book, and I'd have to make it up somewhere else. But 3 hours, take a break. I did put a 4-hour slot on my Wednesday. I try not to do many 4 hours. If you've done 4, actually, let me know the longest that you have done in your teaching history with VIP Kid. Have you done one of those like overnight treks where you don't have any time off? Let me know down below in the comments. But this is my dream schedule. I am so envious of you people that live overseas in the perfect time zones. Either way, that is what I thought would be very interesting. Let me know down below in the comments your dream schedule. And if you have any other questions and things I can make future videos on, I mainly make videos on my main channel, which I will link down below in the description and up above in the cards. But once again, have a wonderful, fabulous New Year season. Teach your classes. If you're a first-year teacher, please know about Chinese New Year. I might just switch over right now and make a video about Chinese New Year for you all, because that's when I started teaching. And I know a lot of people that are going to join VIP Kid now and be bright-eyed and ready to go, just to find out that we're not going to have a lot of classes. So carry on. Let me know your questions down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.